James Tobias and Libor Sukanik are working the lines. And here we go, 7th of 8 meetings between Dallas and Tampa Bay. The Lightning end of the night 2 points back of second place in the Central Division behind the Florida Panthers. Here comes Miro Heiskanen. Just played his 200th career game recently. This is number 202 for him. Stripped of the puck and turned back the other way by the Lightning. Stepping in over the line. Little feed, ends up with Johnson. His shot scores! Tyler Johnson buries it. The Lightning score quickly again. And it's 1-0 Tampa Bay.
Miro Heiskanen doing it alone, and he turns the puck over. You're a D-man, you get caught. Nice job by Cirelli. Driving through the middle, barely staying onside. And then Killorn catching Tyler Johnson folding underneath. It was Tyler Johnson on the back check that actually turned the puck over. But look at Killorn. He actually got a little bit of good luck there on that bounce. I think he may have been trying to get it to Cirelli. Lightning with some good luck. Johnson lights it up.
Jamie Oleksiak with a little step out from behind his net. The big guy going for a skate. Here he is. Chips it in there short side. Save on the rebound by Vasilevsky as he was tested in tight. Great rush by big Jamie Oleksiak. Heiskanen steps in over the line. Steps over the corner. Sends it out in front for Gurianov. A quick shot. Saved by Vasilevsky, and the rebound immediately cleared. Gains the red line. Sends the puck in. This one sent around and knocked down by Jason Robertson. 3 points back of the rookie scoring lead in the NHL. Gets it up to Pavelski. Centering pass, and they score on the back door. Guess who? Tyler Seguin with goals in back-to-back games. And does that bench love that?
What Dallas tries to do is take advantage of a D-man standing up, and they do it with an excellent spot pass and retrieval. Pavelski reads the play, and then Cernak can't get back in time, and then Pavelski, who makes a beautiful pass to Seguin coming in the back door. Cernak just has too much room that he has to cover, and he can't quite get there.
Gord pulls back and then puts it deep. Barclay Goodrow checked. Centering a pass, and Gord with a quick shot. Ottinger the save. Ryan McDonough to Point at center. Point dances in, gave it up to Palat. Nice move. Back and across. Point's right there. And a bouncing puck didn't quite get the shot he wanted. Well, they control the puck back in the line. Back to Point again. Shot, save, rebound. And it's cleared there by Dallas, and Hintz gets it out. Edmund sets it up for Barré-Boulet. Down low, out in front, and quick shot by Killorn. Saved by Ottinger. Alex Killorn sets things up for Gord. Back to the Point. Here's Brayden Point again. Point across, in front, they score! Alex Killorn on the doorstep. Power play goal, and it's 2-1 Lightning.
Pass. In earlier power plays, Tyler Johnson tried to make this pass to Maroon. But see how Killorn just steps back a little bit, makes himself available, stick down, and Yanni Gourde sees that seam. You fake the shot, Oleksiak's going to take the seam away. Because he's a lefty, his stick is on the outside. Oleksiak should have had his stick in the middle of the ice. Yanni Gourde recognizes that.
And at center, crisscrossing there with Point was Andre Palat. He goes to the net. Palat in, stopped by Ottinger. What a play, set up beautifully by Point and Palat. Anthony Cirelli now. Gets the puck in around Klingberg. Klingberg got to it, and now it's a strip. Waiting, tucking it in, scores! One hands right in front by Brayden Point. Outstanding, and it is 3-1 Tampa Bay.
Puck come around the backside here, and there's Lindell. See, never saw him coming. He was lurking around the hash marks and the circle, stole the puck, but then look at the finish, how quickly he drives it right into the middle. That little curl and drag measures Ottinger's stick and his ability to poke you. Here he is, the blind spot. Here comes the stick, the pivot.
Again, had not played for 7 months.
Crazy.
After hip surgery and all the... Whoa, that one hit the crossbar. Robertson dumps it in. Dallas on the puck in the corner, centered out in front, and Vasilevsky had to make a save in tight on that redirect from Tyler Seguin. We'd need about 10 minutes to rattle off all the stats. Face-off win, there's a shot, and Vasilevsky Vasilevsky kicks out that pad on a redirect right in front and keeps it out again. Brianna with a burst of speed into the line, drops it off. Here's Hintz with a drive. That one went off a stick and wide. Good burst there by 34 and 24. Another drive, they score! Tipped in front off the long-range slap shot from Sekera. And the Dallas Stars are back within one.
Vasilevsky to get a beat on. A couple have gone off posts already. It's the traffic in front for sure. I think that goes in off the inside of Vasi's leg. But it's a good, quick shot. Oh, it changes direction off of Brayden Point. Another one that double crosses Andrei Vasilevsky. We saw one before that was knuckling over and under, and look at him going, are you kidding me?
Ward looking for a lane to cut in. Nothing available yet, so he pushes it back to the line. There's a shot, goes just wide off the stick of Hedman. Knocked down inside the blue line by Coleman. Coleman to the corner. Back to Cernak. His drive, scores! Erik Cernak finds the back of the net, and the Lightning have their 2-goal lead back.
Gord, who's right there ready for a rebound, but there is none. Let's see what Ottinger sees. The puck's going to come from the top of the screen. Yeah, I think his own man. I think Jamie Benn probably screened him the most. But Cernak is very good at this. He gets pucks through. And how about Yanni Gord? If he hadn't danced his way out of that, that would have hit him in the shins and would not have gone in. But I don't think Ottinger got a good look at it as it passed by the legs.
Net is empty. And here's a chance for Joseph. Takes a look, puts it in the middle, and Colton with an empty net scores. It was just a matter of who was going to take the shot, and it was Ross Colton, and it is 5-2 Lightning.
He did the right thing. The goaltender is pulled. Jamie Benn's going to be playing goaltender. Nice play by Joseph to get it to him. He looks to the outside to Maroon, but he's got inside position there on Alexiak, and Jamie Benn's like, okay. Well, Tyler Johnson and then Alex Killorn, they're lucky they got away with that, and now there's going to be a penalty. That's desperation. Heiskanen.
Johnson just trying to work his way towards that empty net here. He's drawn a penalty call, and here's Sergachev with a slap shot and another empty net goal past their part-time goaltender, Jamie Benn, and 2 broken sticks to the point as the Dallas Stars smash a couple of sticks against the goalpost, and it is 6-2.
The effort there, they know it's a penalty. They're in trouble. 2 big speed bumps for Tyler Johnson. And then Sergachev is going to be like, all right, Jamie Benn, you really want to block this one?
Final seconds tick off the clock, and you can make it a final 6-2. And as of right now, the Tampa Bay Lightning are in second place in the Central Division.